Everyone, welcome back to another tech video with AppWiz. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Snapchat chat from both sides. So simply, you have to make sure some settings are correct to do that. First, make sure your account settings are fine and that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, ensure that your VPN is not connected. Now, simply go back to Snapchat and go to the chat section of your Snapchat. Choose any person's chat just like this. I'm going to open that person's chat, tap on it, and wait. Now I'm inside the chat of that person. Just like that, I type, "Hi." Now I want to delete that message from both sides. Just tap on the message, go to the option, and then tap delete. You will see that it is deleted from both sides. So that's the video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tech-related videos. If you enjoy our content, hit the thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.